Hey there guys, it's Gus, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the ARRMA FIRETEAM. Just picked this one up. Wanted to try something different here. It is a pretty neat looking truck. I pretty much built my own out of the Mojave and Creighton parts. Had to give one a whirl. The only thing I will be doing probably is I will probably be taking out the brake, handbrake. Maybe I'll keep it, but more than likely it's just not for me. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm gonna give it a whirl, see if I like it or not, but let's wait, take it out, and we'll see how it works. All right, well, let's dig into this thing. And I did get the Arctic camo. This is going to be our transmitter. Our goodie bag, wrench, shock parts, extra shock pistons. And these, they just have different size holes so you can adjust your valving on your shocks, and of course some shims for the diffs. And we come with a SLT3 radio. I've been getting to like these. They're a pretty decent little radio. I haven't had any issues with them. Nothing like the smell of a new RC. But one thing I am going to do, I know there's been lots of guys having issues with them. They run fairly small screws on the body panels. I'm going to see if I can do something with like some washers, or perhaps take the panels off if I do it soon enough before I wreck it, and put some drywall tape and shoe glue on the back side. That should help to strengthen it up a little bit. Boy, this thing is fancy looking. Gravity works. Suspension feels real nice. One thing I like about this one is the way they have this roll cage set up. It's like integrated into the chassis, the shock towers and everything. So that way it helps kind of stiffen everything up. Attaches up into your shock tower here, plus the body mounts, hooks into your shock tower here, and the body mount, chassis here. It's a really neat, and then of course hooks onto your center chassis here. This body's not as heavy as I thought it would be. With all this tubing, I figured plastic tube, I figured it would be heavier. It's not bad. And of course it's got the 150 and then the 2050, 652 servos. Them are pretty good. Just got a 650 for that. This is the same bumper setup and the majority of what I have on my my speed car, except I run Italian shock towers, and then it's EX speed diffs. Well, this does have a metal center diff, which is great. For today, we are going to run the stock pinion. It does come with an extra one in here. I forgot to mention that. It comes with a 15. I'm going to be running the Gens Ace 3S bashing batteries, the 8,000 milliamps. I've had good luck with these, except for the fact, I'll show you here, they slide together pretty easy. These ones aren't too bad on this, probably because it's brand new connectors. but after a bit they come loose. These are a little bit loose on these bashing batteries. But yeah, otherwise everything looks great on here. I like how they got an actual little bracket here to hold the motor wires. I'm gonna get the batteries in here. We'll get her fired up and we'll get her outside and take her for a rip. Right, the 6S I got from them I was not happy about because it's too wide for the case, and I can't even barely get it in there. But these 3S are perfect. They fit right in the way they should. I can get it. Ready to rip. All right, should we go? You ready? Yeah, you ready? Oh yeah. Stock gearing is actually pretty quick. Faster than I thought it would be. What do you think, Poopy, huh? Oh, goodness. Can't wait till I get a little more snow so I can, this thing would be fun in some snow piles. E-brake works. Handbrake. Oh, I forgot that part of the driveway kicks her. Thing handles pretty nice, I must say. I like it. Oh boy. Seems to be tough. It's only about 20 degrees out and she ain't braking, so this kind of weather is when stuff goes south real quick. Ugh. Oh, almost got you. Whoa. Also got to be a little more careful too. I shouldn't be crashing because the ground is froze now. Feels good to get out. I had the flu the last 4 days and still in my chest a little bit, but nice to get outside. What you doing, Poopy? This handled pretty good though. What do you think, Poopy? Do you like it? Huh? Do you like it? Yeah? You like it? Yeah. I've been trying the handbrake, and for me, I don't need it. It just... Yeah, I can do that kind of stuff without a handbrake. I try the handbrake and it makes it act weird. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it out. Oh yeah. What time is it? Time for me to go back to work. Alright, well I guess that's all we're gonna do for today. If you're one of the lucky guys that got this thing on sale when it was only like 400 bucks, it's definitely worth that. Even regular price, it's worth it. pretty nice rig. Yeah, I'm gonna do a few upgrades to this. I'll keep you posted. But yeah, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.